In this video, we will show you how to update Wondershare Filmora video editor. Maybe if you have the older version of Wondershare Filmora video editor, you can update directly via help menu. But I don't recommend this. Okay, this is the first option. You can click on the check for update, and as you can see, when they have the newer version, there is update button here. But I don't recommend you to using this method. Okay, how to update your Wondershare Filmora manually? It's more secure and prevent the program is leaving residue, so your Wondershare Filmora video editor is not in the best condition. So in here you can type control panel. Okay, you can type control panel and select uninstall a programs, and you can select Wondershare Filmora video editor. Okay, you can select Wondershare Filmora 14 version, then you can click uninstall. Okay, after that you can select other and click continue. And we suggest you don't remove all the effect in the resource files. Okay, just remove this, and we just leave the effects that we already download. So in here we need just update the Wondershare Filmora and leaving the resource like our asset and our effect. Just waiting this process until complete. Okay, now in here you can download the Wondershare Filmora video editor for the newest version. Okay, I will put into desktop. This is done, and we can open the newest version of the files. Okay, and we can tick the license agreement. You can also select where is the download file will save. We can click install of it. Okay, this is safer because the Wondershare Filmora will download the newer files without the replacing the older files. But this is using new file because we already uninstalled the older file. So the method is not replacing or updating, so it will prevent the conflict from the older and the newer file. After the download is complete, you can see offline installer save on here. Okay, on this pad, and we can click start now. Okay, we can close, and you can see for the first time use the Wondershare Filmora video editor using environment testing to make sure your Wondershare application can run perfectly. Now you can try to create new project here, and now you have the latest version of Wondershare Filmora video editor. And that's all tutorial how to update the Wondershare Filmora video editor. Hope this video helpful for you.